Good evening. My name is David Acharya of the Acharya Capital Partners, and I'm here at the 2022 ACG New York Healthcare Conference, where 400 of our closest deal makers in healthcare are attending. This is not just, I think, New York's best healthcare conference, but it's the country's best healthcare conference. I'm here with Vasanta. Vasanta, would you please introduce yourself?
Yes, thank you. Great to meet you, and thank you for interviewing me here. I am Vasantan Pundarika. I'm co-head of healthcare at Matrix Capital Markets Group. I'm an investment banker. I cover healthcare services, both on the sell side M&A and on the capital markets side. So on the sell side M&A is pretty self-explanatory. On capital markets, it's really companies looking for growth capital. They're not quite ready to sell and get to that M&A event, but they're looking for capital and a partner to grow with, which could be debt or equity. And we've done both of those. As far as healthcare services, we cover the gamut. Acute care, behavioral, post-acute care like home health, hospice, and rehab, as well as all the ancillary services like dialysis and imaging and diagnostics, and then physician practices, as well as managed care.
Well, as you know, we have some of the best healthcare investors and private equity in this room.
Yeah.
What do you want to get out of today's event, today's conference?
Well, I think as I walked around the room today, and as I've been walking around the room, there are a lot of familiar faces. So a lot of people that are repeat investors in healthcare and really interested in the industry, and it's great to be having those conversations with people, see what people are interested in, and at what they're thinking about valuation from the private equity perspective, as well as how their interests have changed, perhaps over the last month or so since the last time I might have talked to some of these people. So I think really conferences like these are really great for continuing to build those relationships with the private equity firms, as well as hearing what they're thinking about on a current basis.
Well, thank you, Vasanta, for your thoughts. They're extremely valuable to our audience. And we have a room full of bourbon, so hope to see you at the bourbon tasting.
Great
thank
to meet
you.